Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to add another email account to your Gmail. So for this guys, this process I am using in my smartphone, so you can try this same method process in your another device. So for this guys, you need to open any Google app on your device. So I am opening Gmail app. So where your Google account was already logged in. So in my Gmail app guys, the Google account was logged in, as you can see. So in the top right side corner here you can get your profile picture. Just tap on it like this. Now here you can get the option add another account. Just tap on it. Okay, now it will ask you to select your email. So if you are using Google, Outlook, Yahoo or any other email, so you can select the option from here. So I want to add email account from my another Google account, so I will select Google, or you can also select other option from here. Okay, now it will ask you to enter your device password. Just enter it and then tap on continue. So it will take some time, some second to show you the next screen. Now here in the next screen you need to enter your email address which you want to add. Okay, and then tap on next and enter your password. And in the next screen guys, here this is the very important settings. From here guys, you need to select personal IMAP and then tap on next. And once again in the next screen you need to select IMAP and then tap on next. That's it. Okay, now it will add your email address to your Google account. So this is a step-by-step method to add the email address to your Google account. So that's all today guys. Hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.